Hi everybody and welcome to another episode of Ineffable Intech. Today I will be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro, which I received from Apple through UPS. I ordered it on Saturday, came on Tuesday, usually takes 2 business days. The reason I ordered it is because the stores are now closed because of COVID-19. So the next best option is to order. I guess that's the only option. Here's a look at the box it comes in. On the other side is my address. I'll just go ahead and use these scissors to open up the box. Cool. The reason I'm getting this phone is because I had a daughter, my firstborn. She's obviously still a newborn, and I wanted to capture all of her movements, first words, and all the cool stuff that comes with babies. So the box is a little too tight. Let me apply some more strength. And ooh, that looks pretty. So I got the green color. I guess a lot of people are getting the green color. To be quite honest, this is my favorite color in general, not even just for phones. That is nice. It's fairly easy to open up, just like any other Apple packaging. Here's a slip here at the bottom, which we want to peel. And once we do, we get the nice fresh box. Inside the box comes a crispy Apple iPhone 11 Pro. That is sweet. Put that to the side. What else do we have in here? So in here is where your key is for your SIM card. You get a nice pair of headphones, not wireless, and you still get the old adapter. Be able to charge your phone though apparently within 45 minutes or so. There's the power cord. And the case I will be using is from Discovery Innovation. Pretty cool case because it can cover your camera lens. You just slide it open like so. I love the color, I love the feel. I'll try it on. I'll let everyone know what I think about the 11 Pro once I have it for a few weeks. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.